So I have opened the screws up, opening from the side. Now I'm opening it for the first time. I have zero idea how does it look like inside, but it doesn't really matter. So if you see like this big navigation, the main motherboard is only this much and some tiny bit over here, and this is from here. Does it charge? Looks like a unique one over here. I'm not sure, do we have the charging port for this or not? Need to check. Okay, I got the charging port. Looks similar. We're gonna put the board over here. So when the board is secure, just gonna heat it up. Easy thing to do is put some low melt solder over here. Now we're gonna wick it, taking the solders off. I probably have to modify a little bit because on the edge is not connecting. Perfect. Now the connection has to be very strong, otherwise customer gonna break it really easy. So you make sure when you put the solder over here, it has to be connecting it from here. So you're seeing from the microscope now. It's not gonna be a like very good looking job inside because this is not the exact charging port for this one, and you can't get it as well. We just have to modify something which is close enough for this, and this is what we're doing. All done. So after fitting, we're gonna clean this one up. Tied this one up from here as well, a little bit. This section is done. Now we're gonna do the LCD connection. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like so many screws, which is actually good. It has a good lock on it and so many screws, which means they made it so durable. Even if you drop it or something, it's not gonna come apart or not gonna break that easy. Done. And now we need to get the charger for it. Okay, it's time to test it. Go here, plug it in. Hey, Garmin. Perfect. Agree, charging. Here we go, it's charging over here on top. If you can see, it's a nice, very nice. All good. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.